In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to create purchase order in QuickBooks Desktop. What's purchase order? It's a commercial document and first official letter offer issued by a buyer to a seller indicating types, quantities, and agreed prices for goods or services. Or a legal document a buyer sent to a supplier or vendor. In QuickBooks Desktop, we can create purchase order from three places. One, you can see here on home page purchase order, click on purchase order, so the page of purchase order will be open. Another one from list, click on item list, and here you can see item, click right an item, then go create purchase orders, click on it, so the page of purchase order will be open. Another place is vendor, and vendor, click on vendor at the bottom bar here. You can see create purchase orders, click on it, so the page of purchase order will be open. Here vendor, you should select your vendor. For example, this is my vendor, and also shift drop ship to. Again, here you can see the information of your vendor. Here you can see the purchase number, purchase order number here, and this is the details information regarding its address. Here you can see item, click on it and select your item. For example, iPhone 15 Pro Max. In description you can add more things as well. Here you can write quantity, for example 6, and here you can write a message, for example, please send these items quickly. You can write anything, and memo you can write anything. For example, I'm writing here send 3 black and 3 red colors. And you can write also the RAM and the ROM of your item. For example, iPhone, you can write the features of your item. And here you can, if click on save include, so your purchase order will be saved, but the page will will be finished. If you click on save in new, so your purchase order will be saved, but this page will be open again. If you want to save as a PDF, click on save, and here save as PDF. Here checking the spelling, but click close, and here remove the star and write, for example, PU, purchase order, and select the place where you want to save. Click save, so the item will be saved there. For example, I'm going to check it, desktop and PU, click on it. Here you can see the purchase order and PDF form that you saved, and here you can see the message of it. And if you want to print, so click here and print, then preview before printing. This will show that your purchase order, then click on print, so this purchase order will be print automatically. And if you want to send an email, click here and purchase order, click on purchase order. Here your customer job name, for example, and here you can write email address of your vendor, and then click OK. So this purchase order will be automatically sent an email to your vendor. And if you want to delete it, so click on delete, so this purchase order will be deleted automatically. For example, click on delete, and are you sure want to delete this transaction? Okay, so this transaction will be automatically deleted. Here you can see in report, click on report, then purchases, then click on purchase orders. Here you can see, from here you can also delete it if there was not available. Click on your purchase order number 3, click on it, then click delete. So this purchase order will be deleted and you can go back to your report and refresh it. Yes, you can see one purchase order remain in our report.